Okay. So I have this, 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 as well as this. Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video I will be reviewing one of my favorite affordable makeup brand, which is Swiss Beauty and Swiss Beauty Select. That is a premium version of Swiss Beauty. Not only because of the affordability, this brand is my favorite brand, but also this brand, the products they are selling can give tocker to the high-end brand right there. And in today's video you will see how they do it, and with help of all the products that I have from Swiss Beauty as well as Swiss Beauty Select, I have created this makeup look right here. And I'm quite loving it. This can be considered as an everyday going full face of makeup look, and I'm pretty impressed with it. So if you guys are interested to know how I did that, please do carry on watching this video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video. Okay, so I have literally a bunch of products that I'm gonna review in today's video. So I have this, this, as well as this. So these are the 4 dibbas literally I have from Swiss Beauty as well as Swiss Beauty Select that we gonna review into this video. So please stay tuned. It's gonna be a long, but please catch on. Okay, so starting with the first product that I have from Swiss Beauty Select. This is called the Swiss Beauty Super Radiant Skin Tint. Oh my god, let me tell you, this skin tint is kind of similar to the Smashbox Halo Skin Tint. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I do not have a Smashbox Halo Tint, but my friend does, and I have tried as well. The formulation is kind of similar. I know both are tint, but you can see that is I think 1/10 of the price. Exactly, I don't know how much it retails for, but it is 10 times or so. So this tint is my gem, my go-to everyday the swag bag product I have. So this is currently I'm using in the shade called 03 Sand Glow. I'm just loving it. The texture of this tint is so lightweight, and exactly what it tells a super radiant skin tint. It does give that dewy finish on the face, and you can literally see how beautiful glowy my skin looks. It's a long wear. You can literally go out to college, to office, and you can even consider wearing in a party or weddings for that matter. It does have a very sheer to medium coverage, not a full coverage it got, but definitely buildable one. Okay, so according to your preference you can select. I absolutely hate using foundation on my skin, and after receiving this tint, there's no way of going back. Let me give you a little bit of swatch and tell you. So this is how the formulation, it's so liquidy, so glidey. I'm not using much because I do not want to waste it. So this is what the shade match is. If I give you, already I've shown it, but yeah, anyways. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The shade match to the consistency of this product. It's too good. Absolutely, I love it, and it's so easily blendable. Let me show you how. So yeah, that is it. This definitely, it is a buildable coverage, so you have to build accordingly. It gives sheer to medium coverage. So according to your preference, you can definitely select. according to your preference, you can build up or keep it that very natural everyday look by using just a single layer application. So just love this product. Okay, so all the prices and everything will be there on the screen itself. I exactly do not remember, and it will take a long time, so it will be on the screen. But the next thing, we're moving to the eyes. I have the Swiss Beauty from this Swiss Beauty palette. It's called the Ultimate Shadow Palette. Yeah, Swiss Beauty Ultimate Shadow Palette. This is I got. It is in 02, and let me show you how the shades are. Oh my god, I have used all of it. Like, it has glitters and it has all the best colors that required for getting that everyday eyeshadow palette mein jo bhi hota hai, it consists of them all. And the glitter does not have any fallouts. Even saying that, it just glides like butter. Okay, it has all the browns, all the nudes, and beautiful pink and glitters. So everything right there you need, it has all of them. Okay, so let me give you a swatch here, like the brown one. This highly pigmented, you just can see. Let me give you the pink one. Look at that pigmentation. I mean, these are the normal colors, normal shade. Now let me give you of the glitter one. Oh my god, this glides, dude. This, I tell you, see, look at that pigmentation. I'm not even kidding. I'm telling you, they are affordable, and this affordability factor is not only the thing because of which I love this brand. The price range and the quality of product they provide, it's insane. Okay, I know I want to be very transparent with you all that all the products I'm showing in today's video I got in PR, but this review is my honest review and I'm showing it how they perform. So I don't think this is all transparency right there. And if this pigmentation they are giving without any fallouts, I think it's a steal deal. You should consider having in your vanity and as a staple palette. So just love it. Okay, so moving to the next eye product is the kajal. Now this kajal is called You and I Power Kajal. This lasts for 24 hours it says, and it is smudge proof and waterproof. I did a dedicated shots of every product right there I have received, but anyway, so I thought cumulatively make video बना दूँ, क्योंकि long form of video में मैंने शायद ही कुछ ऐसे videos दिखाया जिसमें I reviewed, because their products needed a dedicated review video in a full long form of content. That's why I'm sitting and doing this review. I absolutely love this kajal. You have seen how beautifully it glides. Let me show you again. So see, this is how pigmented, how beautifully it glides. I have used on my lower lash line, and that is something that gives that perfect tinge of color, and it does not smudge, and it is waterproof at the same time, so your eyes won't bleed. So I love this kajal. So also the best part is that this comes in a retractable pencil, saves a lot of time of sharpening. So I absolutely love this product. So this is how the kajal look like. So love it. Moving to the next products are this Cheek It Up का range. So this is called the blush and the highlighter का duo that I want to show you. मैं इसके बारे में जितना भी बोलूँगी उतना कम है because these products are really gem. So it has similar kind of packaging. This is the blush I got and this is the highlighter. Let me show you from inside how it looks like. So this is basically how the products look like. This is the blush and the highlighter. आप देखने में ही समझ जाओगे. This is how the packaging, very cute. Not only cute is the factor, the main factor is that it's so easy to travel with. Let me tell you all, it's like insane how easy you can travel with. So travel ke time you do not necessarily have to have a brush or so. You just can take it like, you know, swatch and easily blend it with your finger. That easily it blends. Okay, and the color, this one I guess in buffed with rose I have. I received in PR. Easy application. I had made a dedicated video, a shorts video of this too right there. You can check out that as well. This one just glides, okay, and this is how easily it just blends out. Okay, I love it. The application to everything, how easily you can travel. You do not need anything, just with your hands. जो कि pot applicator में आता है, that you have to use your hands to take out, and कभी-कभी आपके fingers में stuck in हो जाता है. वैसे कुछ problem इसमें नहीं होगा. So I absolutely love how we can maintain the hygiene at the same time. So love it, love it, love it, love it. So this is perfect. Similarly, this is how the highlighters comes in the same packaging, retractable one, and this is also very, आप दूर से देख सकते हो. If you apply this from दूर से ही, anyone can just look at you. He will be the moon. Jokes apart, I love the highlighter because this one also glides like the blush we have. It's kind of a similar texture going on. Very blendable, and you know, for that ultimate dewy makeup look right there, do consider and just love it. Love this duo, insane. So yeah. So next product again I have is another eye product. This is called the Swiss Beauty Select. This is from Swiss Beauty Select. Basically it's called the Kohl Kajal. Oh my god, this product is something one should have in their vanity if you cannot do like the smoky eye, or you want to do a, so basically this product is for everyone, those who want this very low effort, low maintenance wala eye look, beautiful eye look, the smoky eye look rather. They can consider having this in their vanity as a staple product. Let me tell you why. Because this kohl just glides like butter, like no one else, and it does smudge because that's why it's a kohl. And look at that jet black color. You can see the difference literally. This is a kajal we got, and this is the kohl. And not only that, it comes with this smudger, with the help of which you can just smudge, you know, see. Just you can smudge it so easily. Look at how beautifully that beautifully smudges out. I mean, I haven't seen one such product that this easily smudges out, and with the help of this applicator right here, you can get that very beautiful smoky eye look. तुमको अलग से कुछ brushes या फिर कुछ तगड़ा कुछ नहीं करना होगा. Only you need to have this one product that will take care of all the job, and your eye look is just set. So do consider having this as a staple product in your vanity, and you're gonna thank me later. So I love it, and definitely it's one of my favorite of them all then. So yeah. Okay, talking about the eye itself, I have their eyeliner as well as mascara. This eyeliner is so precise. आज मैंने use नहीं की because I do not have any space to use actually. I have used already the kajal and the kohl, so there is no space. Literally, you can see this beautifully, this pointed it is. It just, you know, with, I don't know where to show, but with just one single stroke, you can get this beautiful lining. Matlab, I love the applicator, that's what I want to point out here. So this is a simple eyeliner, absolutely love it. A staple one, you can definitely consider one because the applicator is super sleek, how the design is, and easily application bhi ho jata hai, so definitely consider. So then next I have their mascara. This is a very good mascara. Having said that, this does provide that intense volume. And look at my eyes today. I am completely blown away. And मैंने इतना शिद्दत से आज का makeup किया ना. I'm literally loving it. I'm feeling like I'm Geet from Jab We Met. Literally, I don't know why, because I'm feeling this kurta maybe or something there is. I'm feeling very Kareena Kapoor ties, but I'm not overacting. All these things are my real honest review right there. Do consider, you wanna love yourself, and this is how beautiful the applicator is, and it's a very long sleek. You can easily do the upper lash lines as well as that, you know, small lower lash line as well, because it's very bendable, and according to your wish you just can, you know, you can just make sure you do it. So yeah, simple, pretty good mascara. Considering it, the price point is so affordable, definitely you can consider their mascara. It does give that long lashes, voluminous lashes right there. So yeah. Okay, so moving to the last one from the Swiss Beauty's range, and my favorite one, of course, the lipstick. Most of the girls' favorite one right there is the lipstick, and I have tried a lot, but today what I have tried, I will show you that itself. So basically, I have tried from this range. It's called the Swiss Beauty Pure Lusher lipstick. Let me tell you, this is one of my favorite range from Swiss Beauty's. All of the lipstick they had, because look at it, just look at it, how glossy the lipsticks are. And having said that, literally it feels like you are wearing a gloss on the top of the lipstick, whereas I haven't used any gloss or any balms, just the lipstick itself, and this one glides and gives that very shiny plumped up look right there with one application. So I will show you how the Twisted Caramel look like. See, this shiny it is, and I'm just topping it up. Look at it. It feels like you are just wearing a balm, applying a balm. That shiny, juicy and comfortable your lips feels. Okay, I'm not even kidding. This range is insane, dude. If you're not having this, what are you doing? Let me tell you, I absolutely love the formula. If you are a bullet lipstick fan, if you are a bullet lipstick girl, you need to have in your collection, girl. What are you doing? Go and grab it, and you're gonna thank me later for sure. Okay, so for today's video, I have used two shades right there. One is the salty pink, another one is Twisted Caramel, absolutely my favorite. Also, let me tell you, I had made already a dedicated video of this formulation and this lipstick with proper swatches in this video right here. You can check out that to select your favorite shade from the range itself. Okay, so that's it for this video. That were all the Swiss Beauty and Swiss Beauty Selecta product that I wanted to review on my channel. It was a long due and finally it's done. I'm so happy because I just wanted you guys to try them, because honestly telling, I love them personally and I use actually in my day-to-day life. So that is pretty much of this review, and I'm very thankful for Swiss Beauty sending out all these peers right here to me. I'm always thankful. So let me know what are the reviews you're gonna see next. So that's it for this video. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so much.